Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video, as you see on the title, I'm going to share a little math for our favorite book. I think it's everybody's quack book. It's really amazing, and yeah, I just want to share a little math here that probably some of you want to know a deep about this graph here. Because when I first time read this book, I feel like, oh, this is really interesting, and I just realized that for this graph is really helpful for us to understand the basic, and it's really mathematical proven. So I feel like it's really convincing. But then when I see the number here and then the graph here, I feel like I need to make the equation. I need the equation explanation further. So, but I didn't see it, so I questioned, and then I see on the bottom line down here, and I see the compound word. Oh, I think this is the theory of the equation compound. It's just like you saving money on your bank account, and day by day they're gonna be like getting bigger, because there is interest in your bank account. So does your habit too. And yeah, it's really interesting actually. And I just want to, like, maybe some of you might think like, oh, come on, it's simple, it's just you need to plus 1. Okay, I just need to plus 1 plus with the percentage of your positive habit every single day, right? You might think that way, which I do think that way too, because it looks like you just need to like addition of the first value, but more than that, I just need the equation, because for me equation is the basic fundamental understanding. So that is why I feel like everyone should know about this, and I bet some of you already knew about this. So if you want to know the little fundamental, I'm not an expert, I just want to share my thoughts. So I hope you gain something from this video. So okay, let's say because we will make this equation here. So let's say I am a person who has value on my day 0, because I don't have intention to change myself. So let's say I have value of myself maybe 2 whatever is it, just set the number here, and then one day after I read this book, I want to change myself. So I'm trying to like give every single day positive habit, like B person here, just call it B, okay? And then yeah, let's do it every single day, and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, this is day, and this is value or power, anything you call it, and then this is the day 1, 2, 3, 4 until 365, 1 year. Your value at the first day will be like 2 times B person plus 2, right? Yes, this is just the compound things happening here. And as you see, this is math, and you can take out 2 here because they have the same value coefficient. So take 2 and you just left with b plus 1. And this is your day 1 value of yourself. How about day 2? Let's see, and you're gonna be 2 times b plus 1 times b, right? Plus 2k here. This is the equation of your day 2, and it's a bit you know, it's kind of many. We can like simplify this because there is a long, it looks like a long equation. So to make it simplify, just change this b plus 2, substitute it with c. So this is 2c. Then you're probably gonna say this is 2c times b plus 2c, right? You can take the 2c here. 2c times b plus 1. And you see, this is, oh, it's c2. 2c, c, it means 2c square, right? And then on the day 3, if you want to keep trying, okay, let's do c square times b plus 2c square, like that, and then take out the 2c square, b plus 1 here, and then 2c to the power of 3. And as you see here, on the day 2, you only have 1 here. On the day 1, sorry. Okay, so and on the day 2, you see here, you have to the power of 2. And on the day 3, you have to the power of 3. And it's gonna be like that until 1 year. So you're gonna be 2c to the power of 365. And then from that, you see c as 2, b plus 1 to the power of 365. This is your value at day 65. Okay, right? So because on this book you're gonna say, or you call it as 1%, so you change it. Substitute the b with 1%, so 2 times, okay, let's just forget it just later. Okay, now on this book it says that you're gonna be better if you like after 1 year, you're gonna be 37 times better. You're gonna be 37 times better person. So where you can get that, you just divide it. Day 6 365 divided by day 0. So this is your 2 b plus 1 to the power of 365, and day 0 is 2. You're gonna hide, so you only have b plus 1 to the power of 365. You see here, this is the same as this number here. You just change b into 1% here. Whatever person actually is gonna take positive if you do it every single day, right? You can take it as 0.5% or even 5% every day if you have that kind of power to consistent doing that. You're gonna be very like have amazing tremendous changing after 1 year. So now I'm going to like little bit see here as the graph telling you here, this is 1, so it means James Clear said the value of the person is 1, not 2, right? To make it simple. So If you are a person who already really have a value on yourself, you are disciplined and something, you have a morning routine, night routine, everything, you're gonna be like this. If you are right, if someone have one, the value of himself is one, you in this kind of day, oops, in this day, you will be here, but your friend who already disciplined, a long day before he read this book is gonna be at this point, big, right? And if you are a person who just, I think I'm just gonna have a 0.03% positive habit every day, I think, then your graph are gonna be like almost flat over here, and then maybe at some point you're, so if you're someone who can only like push yourself on